Many years ago, there was a commercial for a leading soft drinks. And the theme of the commercial was Angat sa Iba. Angat sa Iba. This commercial tried to inspire not arrogance. Angat sa iba, ibig sabihin, maging mayabang ka. No. But rather, it tried to inspire excellence. That is why in that commercial, what was featured were people who were doing excellence in their field. Why is it important to drive for excellence? Because there is always a tendency for us, no? To be mediocre. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Pwede na yan. Sige na, ipasa mo na yan. O, gawin mo na yan. Sige, wag mo na masyadong pagandahin. Okay na yan. That is mediocrity. If you can aspire for gold medal, why settle for silver or bronze? Okay na yan. Anyway, may medal ka naman. But if you can achieve gold medal, why not aspire for it? O kaya, pwede mo namang gawin yung grade mo ay 100. Pero 85, pwede na yan. 75, sige, pasado naman eh. No? If you can achieve 100, why settle for 90? Why? Because some of us fall into that danger or temptation to be mediocre. In the gospel, which is still part of the Sermon on the Mount, Jesus said at the beginning, I tell you, unless your righteousness surpasses that of the scribes and Pharisees, you will not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Dapat, sabi ni Jesus, angat kayo sa mga iskriba at pariseo. Huwag kayo masatisfy na tapatan lang yung pagiging matwid at banal ng mga iskriba at pariseo. Kinakailangang higitan ninyo sila. Drive for excellence. Yesterday, it was open house here. Many people came, and I'm very happy and grateful for those people who came all the way. Meron nga ako nakausap, after ng Mass, they are from Malaysia. Hindi naman sila nagpunta dito para lamang sa open house. Meron daw silang business na inatinan, meeting. But since there are followers of the Mass here online, sinusundan na, sisimba sila sa ating online Mass. Nalaman nila na open house, kaya they drop by. It's good to visit the Manila Cathedral once in a while. Because if you look around, this is a product of excellence. Yung mga Pinoy na nagtrabaho dito, yung arkitekto na nag-design nito, si Fernando Ocampo at si Galo Ocampo na nag-design ng mga stained glass windows, they were not satisfied with, pwede na yan. But rather, they drove for excellence. Kaya naman kahit hanggang ngayon, pag tinitingala natin ang Manila Cathedral, humahanga tayo sapagkat bunga ito ng pagsusumikap ng mga tao na ang gusto ay ang pinakamainam, ang pinakamaganda, ang pinakamahusay. Hindi basta-basta, hindi yung pwede na yan. Sana po mga minamahal kong kapatid at mga kababayang Pilipino, bilang bansa, sana magsumikap tayo na gawin ang pinakamainam. Huwag tayong masatisfy sa second best. Huwag tayo masatisfy sa 85 kung kaya naman natin ang 100. Sana isipin natin, gawin ang pinakamahusay, ang pinakamaganda. Drive for excellence. Amen.